Section 2. You will hear a guide at a natural history museum talking to a group of visitors. First, you have some time to read through questions 11 to 16. Now listen carefully and answer questions 11 to 16.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We're very happy to welcome you to the Museum of Natural History today. My name is Patrick, and I'll be your guide for today's tour. Before we get started, I'll first go over a few of the museum's highlights. To start with, our dinosaur exhibits are some of the most popular in the museum. These include actual skeletons and remains from these prehistoric animals. There are also numerous interactive displays which share information about the different dinosaur species. And be sure not to miss the life-size replica models of the colossal Tyrannosaurus and Brontosaurus on exhibit just beyond the prehistoric timeline display in the main foyer. We have a few amazing displays about ocean life as well. Our life-size model of a blue whale is in the main courtyard, and we have a spectacular under-the-sea room, which includes lots of models of fish and mammals. Our dolphin display is possibly our most famous. It draws loads of people to see actual-size models of the creatures and learn about how they swim. We also have a display about fish evolution, which is especially interesting as it shows how they started as simple organisms and developed into complex species. And we have a very interesting display focusing on the life cycle of sharks. It shows how they develop from an embryo in an egg until they are fully grown, and features models of infant sharks, adolescents, and fearsome adult hunters. And then there is our plant life exhibit, which is contained in the museum's indoor botanical garden. Colorful and rare species of plants, trees and shrubs have been imported and put on display for you to view, including specimens from the Amazon rainforest and the tundra of Greenland. We are proud to house the country's rarest assortment of wildflowers, many of which you can grow yourself with seeds from our shop. One special area of note is our activity zone, which has several interactive displays and activities. You can watch a short film on the evolution of our human ancestors, showing how we evolved through time. And also check out our stage area, which hosts a variety of interesting presentations, demonstrations and talks throughout the day. In addition, visit our 3D planetarium, where you can view incredible images of the stars and universe.
Before you hear the rest of the talk, you can read through questions 17 to 20. Now listen and answer questions 17 to 20.
Now, I'd like to tell you a bit about the building before we get started. Where we're standing now is right outside the ground floor lobby, where you are welcome to purchase tickets for any of our special exhibits taking place today. The ticket counter is just to the right as you come in the main entrance. Opposite the ticket counter, across the foyer, is the information center. You can go there if you have any questions. All of the exhibits and displays are located on the first and second floors of the museum, but we have a few other facilities situated on the ground floor here. While food and drink are not permitted in the exhibit areas, there is a cafe on this floor. Just go straight through the main entrance, turn right down the corridor, and it's on your left. If you want to leave your coats or other belongings somewhere while you look around the museum, you can visit the cloakroom, which is between the cafe and the ticket counter. Now, if you turn left from the main entrance and walk down the corridor past the information center, before you come to a corner, you will find our children's activity area, which has some toys and educational materials for your kids to play with. The gift shop, where visitors can buy souvenirs, is located down the corridor at the rear of the building. From the foyer, head down the corridor on the left. Turn right when you pass the children's activity area, and then take another right. Walk down the corridor and the gift shop is the last door on the right before the stairs. For today only, we're giving away free dinosaur t-shirts in a raffle which you can enter at the gift shop. All right, I think we're ready. So please follow me through these doors and get ready to marvel at the wonders of natural history.
That is the end of section 2. You now have half a minute to check your answers. Now turn to section 3.